Hi, Devesh. I'm just looking at your science cat. Um, there are some things you did well and some things you didn't do at all, which is why you've got 14 out of 28, which is 50%. Um, because what you did well was the first three things, and I think you just ran out of time. So you've got some good information about Neptune as a planet. Um, 14 moons, that would be a pretty fun set, wouldn't it? Um, this is sort of irrelevant information. Though, I mean, you were supposed to try and sell it as, you're supposed to use the features of Neptune, not just include a free hair towel. And you put in the location of Neptune in its position with the rest of the planets in our solar system. You included information on the seasons, very long seasons, aren't they? Similarities and differences. You didn't need to do similarities and differences. You needed to do pros and cons. What is good about Neptune as a place to inhabit, and what is not good about Neptune as a place to inhabit. So you didn't have any information on renewable resources. You didn't have any information on evidence for water, and you didn't do the bonus questions or the extended section questions. So that's what gave you your exactly half mark of 50%. All right, thank you.